Whether you're a designer, analyst, or an engineer working on plastic products, Autodesk Simulation Moldflow can help you solve your injection molding problems before they become expensive. Through simulation setup and results interpretation, users can see how changes to materials, geometry, wall thickness, and gate location can affect the manufacturability of plastic materials. Moldflow products are used around the world to validate and optimize the design and layout of tools for plastic parts by simulating the behavior of the plastic material during the injection molding process. With multi-CAD import, you can evaluate designs from a variety of different CAD packages. Moldflow products help you identify areas that are difficult to fill, where visual defects are likely to occur, or parts that will warp excessively. They can often help you achieve a higher production rate at a lower cost. With these impressive tools, you can find the answers to vital questions about your designs before beginning production. Questions like, will the mold fill? Will there be visual defects such as sink marks or weld lines? Will the part warp? Can the part still be molded successfully if the material is changed? What is the required cycle time, and can the cycle time be safely reduced? With Autodesk Simulation Moldflow products, you can set up the simulation to mimic your specific molding process. After the simulation is complete, you can quickly analyze the results and share the detailed discoveries with your team. Thanks to this in-depth simulation, you will have the data to redesign your part quickly, improve part quality, and reduce visual defects and cycle time. Autodesk Simulation Moldflow products give you deep insight to help optimize your designs and lower costs for you and your customers.